Hello and welcome to this short video on the topic of using blockchain for security. In recent years, blockchain technology has emerged as a powerful tool for securing digital transactions and data. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a timestamp and a link to the previous block, making it extremely difficult to tamper with or alter past transactions. One of the main benefits of using blockchain for security is its transparency. Because each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it can be easily verified and audited by anyone on the network. This makes it very difficult for bad actors to manipulate the data without being detected. Another key benefit is that blockchain is highly resistant to hacking and cyber attacks. Because the network is decentralized, there is no central point of failure that can be exploited by attackers. Additionally, each block is secured through cryptographic algorithms, making it nearly impossible to alter the data without being detected. So how can blockchain be used for security? One example is in the realm of identity management. By using blockchain-based identity verification systems, users can securely store and share their personal information without fear of it being compromised by hackers. Another example is in supply chain management. By using blockchain to track the movement of goods, companies can ensure that their products are authentic and have not been tampered with or counterfeited. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about security. Its transparency, decentralization, and cryptographic security make it a powerful tool for securing digital transactions and data. As more and more industries adopt blockchain, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases in the future.